Hello there, Apex students. Attached in the email here, you're going to find this distance learning instructions. Just wanted to point out a couple things, make sure that you are fully aware of a couple items before I send you off here on your work. Apex is going to continue pretty much the same way that it did when you were in school, so not a lot's going to change. In fact, if you want to get started and get going, I would not wait until the 30th to get started. Just get online and get rolling. The expectation here is that you are going to be completing all your course assignments and assessments by Thursday, May 28th. Anything that we don't get completed then just becomes a zero. As far as attendance, I'm going to be taking attendance each day. In order to get attendance, you need to log on to the program, and the expectation is that you're going to spend 25 minutes each day on task. So that's between 8 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon is when you'll have the opportunity to get that 25 minutes of time in. I'll look at the end of the day and check, and that's how I will take attendance. Like many of your other classes too, you will be required to have a face-to-face meeting with me on Zoom. We're going to do that on Wednesdays during your regular class time. You'll get an email from me that's going to have a link to that video conference, and we'll get online there once a week. Just check in and make sure that everything is okay. And if you have an opportunity there, you need to let me know about something you want me to reset or whatever. We can do that then. One other thing, again, when you have finished your class requirements, you are done for the semester. So if you get this going and you are done by April 15th, and you're done. You don't have to check in, and you do not have to check on attendance or anything like that. So get going. Get going, get done, and get this off your checklist and focus on your other classes. It can open up some time for you. Again, I've opened up all your quizzes and tests. You don't have to talk to me in order to have me open those. Those are all available to you. If you want to redo anything, do not like the score that you got, just let me know. Send me an email and I will get those changed for you. I will be on my email Monday through Friday, 7:45 to 3:45 each day. So if you need something, just shoot me an email. Within 15-20 minutes, you should hear back from me. And last thing, make sure that you understand 25 minutes a day is the minimum for attendance, not the minimum for earning your credit. You have to do the classwork to get your credit. So just make sure we understand that expectation that 25 minutes a day is just for attendance. Any questions, let me know.